This is how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. I've already made a video about how you can restrict someone on Facebook Messenger and the implications. In this video, we'll be learning how you can unrestrict someone. So we log into the Messenger app. These are my Messenger contacts. If I have any of these people restricted, to unrestrict them, I will tap on my profile picture, scroll down to privacy. You can see privacy. See restricted accounts. Click on restricted accounts. These were the names I restricted in my former video. To unrestrict them, I will simply tap. You can see unrestrict. Tap on restrict, and this person is not restricted anymore. I can still do that to all of this. Tap and hold, release, and you see this option. Tap and hold, release, and you see the option, or simply click on the person's name. This option will still pop up. Tap on restrict. This is how you can unrestrict someone on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye bye.